Wali tumefika as a country, tumefika ile situation ya like people must make decisions, people must make choices. We have no otherwise. Yeah. If we are waiting for a proper time to come, then we are waiting for the dead to arise again and tell us what we are doing is right. We need to complement our democracy with good governance. We need to complement our democracy with proper accountability. We need to complement our democracy with proper transparency. We need to complement our democracy with a lot of humility of political understanding. I'm very intentional in mentioning those words because today we cannot be governed under the influence of personal gain. Our forefathers, who are our forefounders of this country, gave us democracy and freedom. Today, we are enjoying that privilege that we got from our forefounders. But we have lost the direction. We are the slaves of our democracy. We say we are in a democratic country, but on the other hand, we are slaves of that democracy that we are very proud of. Come to think of it, if we are in a democratic world, or let me say if we are in a democratic country, ask me, why do we need a lot of violence to send a message to people that do not believe in our own doctrine? Ask me, if we are in a democratic country, why do we need a lot of human manipulation so that we know that the right thing is happening? If we are in a democratic country, ask me, why do we need a lot of barazas to explain one point every single time? We are slaves of our own democracy. And I will repeat, we are slaves of our own democracy. Judging by the present occurrence, we can hardly defend our own constitution. Why? Because of the fear of unknown. And what is this unknown? Being eliminated or being abducted. I wholly believe and I solidly believe we are slaves of our own democracy. And that is why we have been into different prisons to justify our being slaved into this democracy. We are into prisons of podcasts. We are into prisons of social media content. We are into prisons of different media houses. We are into prisons of activism. Just to explain one point. Why are we slaves of our own democracy? If truly you believe, you and I believe that we are in a democratic country, why is it difficult for you not to exercise your own right without passing through some organs? You know, it is only in our country that we need a lot of process to take somebody out of office. Tell me why we are in a democratic country, but we still need to uphold our signatures to have somebody out of